Today, we're going to talk about the SCHULTZ LEDs 50 watts. Stay tuned.
Before we talk about this like, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and if you have any comments, comment below. Don't forget to watch this video all the way through.
I must say, I am a fan of these lights for the robustness, and I don't know if there's a word robustness, but it is a well-built, quality design light. I personally own the big brother of this light, which is a 250 watt. Let me turn it off first. So check out the quality of this light. It is metal. It is about 3 pounds and it is rainproof. So if you guys like to shoot out there in the rain, this is the light for you. So much potential with this light, so many capabilities. I am really a fan of this light. This is not a soft light. This is not an RGB light. This is a hard source light. You can cut and shape in front of it and have beautiful pictures in front of it. It is a 5600 Kelvin light. It has a lumen of 7000. and 0.4 amps. It has a lifespan of 50,000 hours. Imagine that, 50,000 hours of these diodes. And if you work with old tungsten lights, HMIs, you would need to replace them every so often because the bulbs go out and you have to constantly buy bulbs. So 50,000 hours on these will last you a long time. So money spent and this is going to be well spent for investment. So if you're a filmmaker, these lights are really awesome. They have diffusion on these lights. So right now there is no diffusion. So let's turn it on. And you can plug in this diffusion in the front. Boom. So let's diffuse it a little bit compared to my horror version earlier. Where's the knob? There is a knob here to control the strength, and I am a bit confused where it is. Okay, it's up here. Sorry, I'm blinded by all these lights. There you go. There goes the diffusion. Isn't that quite nice? From a distance, let's light myself up. Whoa, pretty cool, right? Get a little bit more punch. You see how blown out? No, the phone compensates for the light when it's blown out, but you can definitely see the quality of this light. There is also a converter for CTO right there. Make it orange. The knob here is to tighten up the position, and this is where you can stick it onto a light stand. These have IP65 rated, so like I said, you can shoot this in the rain. So when you plug this in, it's got a 2-prong in there and you just turn the knob. This is the power switch right here. It's a really smooth and really easy to turn on. I have new favorite lights in my toolkit, and I'm looking to buy one more of these, possibly another 250, or maybe one of these. If you have purchased the really cheap kind of LED lights from like China, they're really janky and flimsy. The quality is not good. A lot of times they're built out of plastic. They have fans that are very noisy inside. These are not very noisy. They hardly get hot. And the build quality is really strong in it. Like I said, it's the metal. It's just, you can feel the quality of this product. The weight, the look, the design, just high quality looking, American made. But this really feels quality and robust and will last a long time, and I'm looking forward to using it on set and on shoots and cutting and shaping with these. And so if you follow me on Instagram at Focal Finder, you'll see a lot of the BTS work that we do out there. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Peace.